Okay, so now coming with the section B. Question number 21, optional A. Okay, next, if you see, you have without performing long division, find whether 123 upon 125 is terminating or non-terminating and write its decimal expansion. So for the denominator, you will first try to for this type of question, you have to make the denominator in the form of 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n. Anything with 2 power and 5 power. Can be 0 also, the power can be 0 also. So you will take the LCM, or we can say factorization of 125, that is 5, 25, 5, 5 and then 5, 1. So 123 upon 5 power 3, we can write for 125. Now there is nothing of 2 power, we want 2 power also. So what actually I want is 2 power 3. To make the same power, I want 2 power 3. Now because 2 power 3, I have to multiply in the denominator, the same I have to multiply on the numerator also. Now what you can see is 123 into 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. 5 power 3 into 2 power 3. So can I write this as like this? Because when you have the common power, we can write that as a common power and you can multiply the brackets. We have learned this in laws of indices. So 123 into 8. How much is 123 into 8? 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8 to 16, 17, 18. 8 1s are 8, 9. So 984 divided by 10 power 3. Now 10 power 3 is nothing but, it is 10 times 10 times 10, which is nothing but 1000. So without actually dividing, we are able to write the number 123 upon 125 in a decimal expansion. Okay, write its decimal expansion. So you can do this one. Next is now for 22A. So using Euclid's division algorithm, find HCF of 64 and 216. So basically dividend, you have to write this formula, it's called divisor into quotient plus remainder. So when you divide 216 by 64, how many times it will go? It will go by 4, I think. 6 4s are 24, no, 3 times. 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, plus 1 19, 192. So it is going to be 4 and 11 minus 9 is 2, so 24. Okay, so now dividend, what I said, 216 is the dividend. What is divisor? Divisor is 64. What is the question? 3. Remainder is 24. Now 64 becomes the dividend and the previous remainder becomes the divisor. Okay, 3 times if you do, you have 72, so 2 times only, you get 48. So how much is 14 minus 8? 6. This is 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 16. Now what you will do? You will write 64, which is dividend here. Then 24 is the divisor. How many times we did? 2 times. 24 times 2 is 48. Plus 16 gives you 64. Now again the 24 will become your dividend. 16, the remainder will become your divisor. And one time we are only dividing, you get 8. So again you will write it as 24 here equals to 16 times 1 plus 8. Now you divide 16 by 8. 8 2 times is 16. So what you will do, you have 16 here, 8 here, into 2 plus 0. So therefore HCF is equals to 8. The number which divides the number completely and gives you last at the end 0 is the HCF of those two numbers. This is your Euclid's division algorithm. Now for question number 22b, the LCM of 42 and 343 by prime factorization. So LCM, least common multiple. So first we will do the factorization of 42, 221, 3771. For 343 you have to start with 7. 7 4 is 28. So 34 minus 28 gives you 6. 6 and 3 63. So 9. 7 7s are 7 9s. Now for 42 the number is 2 times 3 times 7. For 343 the number is 7 times 7 times 7. So here LCM how do we take is least common multiple. So first we take the common and then we take the uncommon ones. So these 4 were uncommon. So 7 into 7 into 7 we have got 343. Into 2 into 3 is 6. So just multiply that. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24 plus 1 25 to carry. 6 3 is 18 19 20. So 2056 is the LCM. So you will write therefore LCM of 64 and 216 is 2058. Now next question, question number 23. In the triangle is given like this: R P Q cos P 9 upon 41. Cos is what? Cos is base upon hypotenuse, or we can say cos P it is saying. So theta is here. So or we can say adjacent upon hypotenuse. So this. So you have to first find out the value of QR, length of QR. So for that we will apply by Pythagoras theorem. You will write PQ square is equals to PR square plus QR square. So PQ square is 41 square, PR square is 9 square plus QR square is QR we have to find out. So it is 41 into 41. So 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4, 4s are 4, 4 8, 4 4s are 16, 1681. And this is 9 9s are 81 plus QR square. So now when you will subtract, you will take that side. 1681 minus 81 equals to QR square. So it is 1600 is equals to QR square. So root of 1600 is equals to QR. So which gives you 40 as your QR. Because root 16 is 4 and 2 times 0, so we can make it 40. Root 100 is what? Root 100 is 10. So we got this as 40. So we got the length of QR. Okay. Second part of the question is B. Sorry, it is B part. B part. The value of cot P. Now cot is what? Cot is just the opposite of 10. 10 is the opposite upon adjacent. So cot will be adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent is 9. Sorry, where is 9 and opposite is 40. So 9 upon 40. Then C. The value of sec q. Now when they are asking q, the theta goes to the opposite side. Theta is here now. So sec is what? Sec is opposite of sine. No, sorry, sec is opposite of cos. Cos is your adjacent upon hypotenuse. So sec will be hypotenuse upon adjacent. Okay, so 41 upon 9. That would be. No, sorry, mistake is there. I was telling you. Adjacent means 40 here. Okay. Okay. Now next, coming to the question number 24. Sec 30, tan 60 minus sine square 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So for this question again you will require the table which we had made it in the previous thing. So we will go again back to the sec is just reverse of what? Reverse of just the reciprocal. You have to take the reciprocal of your cos. Sec 30. Okay, so sec 30 will be 1 upon root 3 upon 2. So 2 upon root 3 it will be. Okay, so I'll write it 2 upon root 3 ka square on the bottom. 2 upon root 3, no square. Multiply by 1060. 1060 it was. You have to make it in the back side of your notebook. 1060 is root 3. Then is cos 60. Sorry, sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2, which is square is there. Now is cot 45. Now 10 and cot 45 is 1 only. Either it is 10 45 or it is cot 45, it is going to be 1 only. Okay, so it is going to be 1 only. Okay, when you multiply you can cancel with these two. That is 2 minus root 3 square. So root 3 square is how much? 3. Minus 2 square is 4. Plus 1. So 2 plus 1 we can solve it as 3 minus 3 upon 4. When you do with the LCM, 4 3s are 12 minus 3, that is 9 upon 4 is the answer. Coming to question number 26. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle DEF. So if you do the triangle, draw the triangle PQR and the triangle DEF. It's 8 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. So now what you can see is, and the area is given as PQR 54 centimeters. So we have to find the first PQ, then the area of DF. Okay. So for the first one, PQ, what we can write, as we know that PQ DE. So PQ upon DE, similar, na? The two triangles are similar, so we can write QR upon EF. Okay, the ratios are equal to each other. So PQ is PQ only, we have to find out. DE is 8, QR is 3 upon EF is 4. So cross multiply you can do, or you can just do this here. So 3 into 8 divided by 4. So 4 2s are. So it is going to be 6 centimeter. So PQ is 6 centimeter. Next now, for second question, area of DEF. Now what happens is, if you have been given any two sides, like let's say QR upon EF, area, let us wait, I will just write it properly. Area of DEF upon area of PQR equals to, DEF was on top, so EF upon QR square it is. So you will do it as DEF, we have to find it out. I am doing it here. DEF you have to find it out. You have to make it triangle. DEF, PQR is given to us, that is 54, and then EF is 4 upon QR is 3 ka square. So triangle DEF upon 54, 16 upon 9. So triangle DEF is equals to 16 into 54 upon 9. So triangle DEF equals to 9 6 6 36, 6 1 6 7 8 9. So 96 centimeter square is the area. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay, so now